What's up, guys? It's February 24th today. Me and a bunch of my buddies from college got together for the weekend to hang out and see each other, and we're gonna do some pheasant hunting. Hunter's been out here before, so he kind of recommended it. We're at Monigold's Upland Game Birds here in Ohio. We know there's gonna be birds, we know there's gonna be shooting, so hopefully we hit them and we have a good time. I'm gonna put my GoPro on my head and hopefully get some footage for you guys.
Happy to be here.
Look at Elmer Fudd.
Do we need to stop at Walmart? They're old Dude, you just went to freaking Walmart to buy those, and I know.
Armin out here.
Can't hide money. Can't hide money.
Looking like a tourist.
Can't hide money.
Unzip this. Show us the baby blue real quick.
It's Carhartt. Inside the outdoors. One and only appearance. We're in work gloves. All right, enough.
Like I said, if the dog goes on point down behind the trees, somebody needs to go. That's good. Hey, whoa. 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 Man, Tiger.
Gonna have to knock the rust off, huh?
Yeah, boys, that wasn't too good. Right there. Yep, no.
Wells! Nice shot. He's got one down there, Hunter. Dude, that thing spun me around in a circle. That was ugly too, but we got him. Hold on, they got one down here. You got it.
Go get her, Coda! Go get her, Coda!
Good dog.
Good dog. Come! Come on up here. Come here. Here, my bird. Come on, my bird.
10 feet rule.
Yep. Exactly. Good boy. Good boy. I know. Good boy. Go ahead and slide it. Well, get him.
Good dog. I can't hit the pheasants, but I hit the quail. Hunter. Nice shot.
Wells. Dang, that boy down there can shoot.
Yeah.
He can. He's doing really well.
Fearless education right there. Here, you'll get. Hot. That was gonna be a beautiful shot for you.
Good shooting, boys. Yeah.
Kenai, touch the bird. Kenai, get him up. Kenai, get him up.
My God. Dude, we don't even have to pay. Hunter's gonna pay for all the birds. Good shooting, Wells. Is it a quail? Okay, I see him.
Kenai, come.
He's behind us now.
Me.
Beautiful.
Thanks, fellas.
I didn't even
That one felt pretty good. Do you ever offload them halfway through somewhere, or you just carry all them at once all the time?
Drop them if they're got a tire.
Sorry.
Yeah, let's sit that way. We see some faces maybe in the sun. You got a point?
Yeah, they're up right on the side of the gas well. Alright. We're right here, man. We got one right here.
Hold on, we got one up here too. Rooster.
Oh shit, it's right here, Shane.
Yeah. Just walk at it.
It's right here, Del. You see it? Yep, yep.
Low raz. Low raz. Whoa, bud. Oh, hell, I gotta get that picture.
That's a good picture.
Hey, get ready, fellas. Marty's gonna come out this way, Hunter.
I'll come right through it. You ready, Kenai? Let's go get him up. Let's get him up. Oh, where you at?
Standing right down there. I can't see. It's pretty thick right there.
Yeah. That one hurt. Oh, that was plenty high. I mean, gave your shot a real good chance to spread out.
Shot a baseball at him. That one's not gonna be any good, huh?
Probably not too much. No. It's a little tenderized.
Yeah, it looks like I shot him with a baseball-sized load right in the chest.
That's why I said ouch.
What do you got? Oh yeah, there's a quail. The dog's about to get it up right now. If it goes through this tree line, we're screwed. Did you see how close that thing was to me? Yep. Left side. Whoever hit that one. I think me and Deli missed. Huh? Well, I got nervous. I thought that one was getting away. Boys, we'll be back up. Whatever way my gun barrel's facing. Woo!
Got him?
Dead bird? Good deal. Pheasant?
How many do we have? We're probably right around 20 right now.
I don't know.
We had what, 11?
How many did you drop off?
We're at
I think 17 now.
Not like with the quail too?
Not counting.
Oh, okay. It's a quail.
Oh, yeah, it's sitting in the ground. It's going to be flat. Be careful.
He's gonna flush it. Oh, he might be pointing here. Oh, it's another chucker. Wait, no, never mind. Yeah, it is. Another chucker. Stop there, fellas, so he doesn't fly over your head again.
He's like 10 feet in front of me.
That's our hand.
There's a chucker right in front of you.
Yeah, walk a couple steps. Hey, turn and get ready.
Over here.
I want this thing to come out this way.
You need to push it this way.
Is that one of your dogs way up there? The chucker's right there. I didn't want to. Good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Here. Come on. This is the pheasant. He has the chucker. That thing doesn't come out very high at all. They stay low. Can I see that? I don't know if I've ever seen a chucker. Wow, cool.
Oh, they're almost there, Shane.
Oh. It's not. You wanted that one, huh? Pretty good though, everybody got.
Yeah. I think I got a couple pieces of birds, but I never had like a dead solo shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody got enough action.
Yeah.
As long as you got something to shoot at.
Right.
All right, we're finished up the pheasant hunt. We're all in the truck here. Boys are all here. We're on the way home. We had a good day. We killed, I think, 24 pheasants, 6 quail, and a chucker. So all in all, a good day, and that's gonna end the video.
A man with no land is nothing.